DS Power Servo Type 1, second line motor, control of rotation direction by switching between positive and negative poles. DS Power Servo Type 2, PWM servo, supports up to 360 angle control. PWM servos also enable multi-turn motion control. Angular error is magnified with multiple turns, as opposed to angular control. Memorize multi-turn position in power failure, and return to center automatically in power up. PWM servo mode. PWM pulse with control direction and stop. Speed adjustable. DS Power Servo Type 3, bus servo. Functions implemented in line with PWM servos. Command control, full information feedback, compatible with servo and motor modes. Multi-turn control and power failure memory are also available. Higher accuracy with magnetic encoder.